2020. We're going into 2020s, y'all. We're leaving out the 2000 and the teens. The 2000 teens started in 2013, 2019. You already know that. Now we're going into 2020s. 2020s. And guess what? The first introduction in the 2020s is on the election. Buckle up your seatbelts, for we are going for a ride. All passengers, I repeat, buckle your seatbelts. We are going for a ride. We are headed into the 2020s. Listen to how it sounds. The 2020s. Ooh. Oh, it's gonna be some stuff. Y'all already know it is. The 2020s is gonna be interesting decade. Say the least. An interesting decade. Buckle your seat belts. The introduction is an election year. You already see who's running. You already see what's going on. We are saying goodbye to the 20 teens. The 2019 is ending. We're leaving out on, what's the notes we're leaving out on? The Jeffrey Epstein case. You know, Donald Trump impeachment speech. We lost Nipsey Hussle in the physical realm. We lost, 2020. A lot more other things. Jeffrey Epstein, the suicide. I said that. The suicide thing. What else? What else we got? Whole lot of other little things that popped off this year. It's been a full year, man. We ain't even out. Full year. They got Cuba Gooding. You know what I'm saying? Shoot, man, the decade been crazy. Talking about the year, the decade been crazy. Bill Cosby incarcerated. You know what I'm saying? 80s. The decade been crazy. What up? Trump. Shoot, got a bum in the thing. You know, the decade been crazy in itself. Good gracious. When you think about it, a lot more other things. The Popeye's chicken thing hit. Hell, I forgot about that. That Popeye chicken sandwich kicked in right at the end of the 2019. We leaving out on that note, y'all. Fights over chicken sandwiches. Murder over chicken sandwiches. So you know the 2020 is gonna be something else. Just off that alone, we leaving off the Popeye's chicken sandwich. Which you need to check out my video, Jeffrey Epstein and the Popeye's chicken sandwich connection. Look it up. We ain't playing games, man. This ain't a conspiracy theory. It's real life. We leaving out. Off that note, off a chicken sandwich rampage. This stuff is like a freaking episode of Boondocks, man. Which they did say it was a chicken episode on there. I haven't seen it though. But just look at that, man. 2020s is upon us, people. Prepare yourself. Prepare yourself. Please listen, peoples. Wherever you are, you must prepare yourself. We are going full blast into the 2020s. Hold on tight. Buckle your seatbelts, for the time is at hand. Hold on.